In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC in Adobe Sign. If you've ever needed to keep someone in the loop on an agreement without asking them to sign it, CC is exactly what you're looking for. In Adobe Acrobat Sign, CC stands for Carbon Copy, and it simply means that selected people receive a copy of the document and the related notifications. They don't sign, and they can't edit anything, but they can view the file and stay informed. Typically, they'll get an email when the agreement is first sent, and in most cases, another message with the final signed copy once everything is complete. Let's walk through the quickest way to add CC while you're sending a document for signature. Start by going to Request Signatures. This is the sending screen where you prepare your agreement. Upload your document by dragging it in or selecting it from your computer or connected storage, then add the signer's email in the recipient field. This is the person who actually needs to sign. Now look for the CC option. Depending on your layout, you might see a link that says Show CC, or you might see a dedicated CC field alongside the signer section. Click to reveal it if it's collapsed. In that CC area, enter the email address or addresses of the people you want to keep informed. You can add multiple CC recipients, generally up to around 11, so it's fine to include a few stakeholders. Take a moment to double-check spelling here. CC recipients receive automated emails, so accuracy matters. When everything looks good, click Send. That's really all it takes. Your signer will receive the request to sign, and your CC recipients will receive a copy of the initial message so they know the agreement is on its way. When the signer completes the process, CC recipients typically get the final signed PDF as well. They can open and review the document, but they won't be able to modify fields or sign, and their presence won't slow down the signing workflow. A couple of practical tips as you use CC. Add only the people who truly need visibility to reduce inbox clutter for your team. If you don't immediately see the CC option, try expanding additional options on the sending page or scroll down. The field is sometimes collapsed to keep the interface clean. And if you're sending to several viewers regularly, keep a note of those addresses so you can paste them quickly next time. To recap, go to Request Signatures, upload your file, add your signer, reveal the CC field, enter the email addresses, and send. Your document goes out for signature, and your CC recipients stay informed from start to finish.